Welcome to Module 4, the college application. By this time, you've gone through the intentional decision-making process and developed a list of colleges to which you'd like to apply. You've done the work to think through whether or not higher education is the right path for you to pursue at this time or in the future. You've also researched good fit colleges and universities and understand their admission requirements and deadlines. You've even reached out and contacted those colleges and universities, gathered the information you need to know, and feel competitive for admission. Now it's time to apply. This module will outline the process to apply to public and private universities, helping you prepare a complete, competitive, and hopefully successful application. And it will give you an overview of the holistic review process employed by many admissions departments. With this module, we want to assist you in putting together the best application possible. This will require you to draw on your abilities to meet deadlines and pay close attention to the rules laid out by each college regarding their application process and requirements. These may include navigating the Common App, learning about different standardized tests, constructing a college application essay, thinking about your letters of recommendations and how to ask for one, preparing for potential college interviews and gaining a good understanding of how admission decisions are made. Additionally, this module will show that even if you're not accepted, a no isn't the end of the road and why you shouldn't be discouraged in that event. In the end, we want to make sure you have the tools to craft competitive applications to the colleges and universities of your choice. Let's get started.